Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my channel Classic Vijay Vlogs. Friends, if you really want to improve your communication skills through vlogging, my channel Classic Vijay Vlog perfect for you. Friends, today time English communication play important role to grow our career. So if you don't have time to read English book, write, you watching video and want to improve your communication skill through vlogging, my channel Classic Vijay Vlogs is perfect for you. Every day at the evening 6 p.m. I am uploading new vlog that is a English language. You can improve your communication skill through vlogging. My channel Classic Vijay Vlog, you follow and regular watch it. Surely your English communication will improve. So friends, before starting the vlog, first of all, I wishing all of you happy Raksha Bandhan. Today it is Raksha Bandhan and everyone celebrating Raksha Bandhan. So first of all, I am wishing you to a very happy Raksha Bandhan. You can see I also binding a Rakhi in my hand. So today I celebrated Raksha Bandhan. I bind up Rakhi in my hand and walking alone as per daily routine. You can see around me lot of greenery, peaceful, calm, quiet and energetic vibration. So friends, you can see in my wrist there is a Rakhi. So today I celebrated Rakhi, take some sweets and go outside to create a blog for you to improve my communication skills along with you. So if you follow my blog, me and you both will learn and we will improve our communication skill in English. You can see this is a beautiful ponds. This is a beautiful ponds, and in this ponds there are so many ducks swimming, and you can see inside there are two buckles bird sitting near this ponds. And if you see in the middle of this tree there are small ducks swimming here. Some ducks are big, some ducks are small. This is a beautiful ponds. Bit middle of this fields. You can see in the middle of the ponds there is a small tree, and near the tree some ducks are swimming. And in this side there is a brinjals vegetables plant. You can see carefully some brinjals also growing, some are small, some big. This is a big fields and whole fields there is a brinjal plants growing. This is a vegetables, and if you look at the sky, some birds are flying. And on this path I am walking alone in this magical miracle morning. You can see both sides it is a green grass, and this path connected from city to village, and I always walking alone on this path. You can see some butterflies are flying, one butterfly sitting and flying away and sitting on these flowers. That is a white color of butterfly. Today time is very awesome, peaceful, calm and quiet. And in this magical miracle morning, surrounding of me you can see how wonderful, peace, calm and quiet environment. And you can see there is a tractor of farmers working on the fields, and also tractors here in the middle of the fields. So whenever farmers cutting the maize plant After cutting the maize, then they also cutting the plant of maize and loading on the tractor for his pet animals like buffalo, cows, ox. If any kind of cattle in house, they cut the maize plant, load and carry on his home. So there is a tractor in the middle of this fields and one buckles. You can see there are two birds flying in the sky, and here there is a big people tree. So in this people tree there are so many birds build his nest. Sometimes I see squirrel, sometimes I see crow, cuckoos. There are different type of the birds living over this branch. They build nest, and you can see this is a path where I am walking alone. So every day on this path, in the shadow of this people tree, you can see there is a shadow. So on the shadow of the people tree, I am regularly walking here, and this is my favorite place. I regularly come in the morning and walking alone here. How wonderful place. And one farmer working on these fields, you can see, and one farmer cutting grass, and they will load the grass on tractor for his pet animals. This is a paddy plant. You can see this is a big field, and you can see carefully the paddies are growing. This is a paddy plant, and rice coming from paddy. And in this field there are three big tree. All of three trees are peoples. You can see one, two, and beside this tree also there is a tree, three trees, and everywhere looking greenery, calm, quiet, and peaceful. This is a village life. Friends, someone go late bed and not get up early morning. So if you go late bed, sleeping late on night and not get up early morning, you will miss this magical miracle morning. So everybody should get up early morning, walking alone, and observe yourself. If you observe yourself, you can know about yourself. You can find your hidden potential about yourself. And if you find your hidden potential, you will work out in and where you want to reach in life, how to achieve your goal. If you walking alone, the universe will guide you. Universe will connect from you, and they will guide you right path, right direction. If you got right direction, right path, it will very help to reach your destination, reach your destiny. in the sky. Some birds are flying. Different type of birds flying in the sky. If you walking alone without slipper, so if you walking alone without slipper, you can connect with beautiful earth, nature's environment, and if you walking alone in the peaceful place, it will also best for your health. So walking alone in the Mysli Miracle morning, go outside, connect with nature, and without slipper, you should walk. If you walking without slipper, it is a best time to giving a precious time for yourself. So every day you should give your quality time for yourself for better growth, better communication skills. There is a butterfly flying here. That is a white color of butterfly. Friends, everybody should purpose in life. Without purpose, it is a waste your life. Without purpose, you don't know where I reach, where I go. So first of all, you decide your purpose, what is your purpose of life. Then the universe will guide you. What is the direction? Which direction you will reach? And if you find your direction, it will easy to reach your destination, reach on your goal. Without purpose, without direction, how you will reach? So first of all, you decide what you become in the life. This is a piety corp, and near this piety corp there is a lady's finger fields. And lady's finger, this is a vegetables. This is a long fields, and you can see yellow colors of the flowers, lady's fingers, and yellow color of flowers of lady's fingers looking awesome, beautiful. Some farmer working on field. So farmers cutting the maize plant, they will load on tractor for food his pet animals. So these farmers cutting grass, and one birds flying in the sky. There are couples of the birds flying in the sky. Friends, now let me tell you a quote of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand, a favorite quote I always remind. Swami Vivekanand say, strength is power, weakness is death. Strength is power, weakness is death. strength. You should keep strength, any of body, communications, knowledge. There is not only your strength of body. A strength, that means every kind of a strength. You should strength in about knowledge, mindset, communication skills, everywhere. Without strength, your power, you will seem like death. So, first of all, build your power, all of the area, not only one. If you eating food, your body will build. If you reading book, your knowledge will build. If you keep exercise, your muscles will build. If you walking alone, you will connect with nature. So this is a strength of you. So build your strength, and that strength build your power. So strength is life, weakness is death. One farmer working on these fields, they will start the tractor, they cutting all of the maize plant. Now they will load and they start tractor and will go. Friends, why you learn communication skill in English? Why is important in our daily life? English play very important role to grow your career. If you sitting front of interview panel, they will ask English question. You should reply the answer in English. If you working any of the private sector job, you will get email and read email, write the email, send email. You will get all of the communication in English. If your communication skill in English good, then you can find your job national and international. If you know English communication skills, you can work on different kind of the team. You can work on the team Indian and international as well. So your life will easy if you know English communication skills. So today time, English communication skill, it is a very important to grow your career. I know there are multiple developers. They working in office couple of years. His technical skill good, but they not got chance to promote. They not got chance to hike salary due to lack of communication skill in English. They are supporting person. They are humble person. They always ready to help each other. They deliver all of the project on time, but they lacking of communication skill in English, so that they not able to crack up interview. They not able find new opportunity. So if you learn communication skill in English, English communication skill will open different type of door, new opportunity for you. So that today time it is important for English communication skills to grow our career. Now farmers start tractors and go in the middle of the fields. They will load and they will go home. Friends, if you walking alone in the peaceful environment, your heart, your mind, your soul will automatically feel relaxed and peaceful, because it is a power of beauty of nature. If you living whole time in house, then you will feel boring. But if you go outside, you feel relaxed, calm, quiet, and it is a very good time, perfect time to walking alone in the magical miracle morning. Morning time, it is a best gift given by God. So don't waste the magical miracle morning time. It is a very precious time for us. So don't go bed in late night and don't get up late. Try, try to yourself a routine, early to bed and early to rise. If you go early to bed, you should get up early morning, and if you get up early morning, go outside and feel this magical miracle morning, peace, quiet and energetic environment. So don't waste your magical miracle morning. in the middle of this fields, you can see some birds sitting. There are multiple birds sitting. I am checking there are 4 birds sitting in the middle of these fields. 5 birds. Looking very awesome, very beautiful. First of all, you need to change your habit. If you change your habit, habit will change your life. Always remember this line. If you change your habit, the habit will change your life. So, early to bed and early to rise, go outside, connect between words, calm, quiet, walking alone without sleeper. If you change your habit, this habit will change your life. So, friends, give your precious time. There are multiple birds flying. Wow, there are so many birds flying in the sky. How beautiful. On this path, there is a farmer's tractors going in the field. So friends, hopefully you enjoy my vlogs. If you really improve your communication skill in English through vlogging, you must follow my vlog, Classic Vijay Vlog. Every day at the evening 6 p.m. I am uploading new and fresh vlog that is in English language. So if you really want to improve your communication skills, if you don't have time to write, read English, you can watch my vlog and improve your communication skills. This is a English language vlog. So you can also connect through my vlog nature, birds, animals, magical miracle morning and village life. So if you are birth in village right now living in city, you can relate your childhood life through this my vlog. So you connected with me from starting to end. I really like to thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much from connected me. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you for watching from starting to end of my vlog. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart once again. Thank you.